Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. God bless you all. In today's video I'm going to be making pancake, and for this pancake we're going to be using these few ingredients you're seeing here. I've already started sieving my flour. I have here 2 cups of flour. I have 3 eggs I'm going to be using. I have less than a half cup of sugar. I'm going to add in some dry pepper, a pinch of salt, and some nutmeg, about half a teaspoon. I have a cup of milk here, some oil for frying, and then I have water here. So I'm going to mix the dry ingredients together. I'll sieve the sugar in, add all the dry ingredients, then mix the egg and the milk, that's the wet ingredients, and then marry them together. That's mix all of them together before we start frying. Do I need to see the pepper? Let's see. Mixing all the dry ingredients together. You keep that aside. Now whisk the egg. Most times I use vanilla essence, but I ran out of it. I don't have vanilla essence now, so I'm using only the nutmeg. I'm adding milk here. Mix all together. And then we bring back the dry ingredients. I'm adding a little by little so that I'll be able to dissolve this well. Add the remaining. I'm rinsing this with water. Mixed again. I'm still going to add it water, but I want to finish mixing it first to be sure that everything is smooth enough. Then I'll add it more water because I want a kind of little runny mixture or batter. You can equally use blender or hand mixer to mix it. Sometimes I use blender. I'm okay with the mixture, so I'm going to add a little more water. I think I'm okay with this. You can see do small. Okay, ready to be fried. I'm heating the pan, ready for frying. Add a little oil. I'm going to use this. It's a measuring cup. I'm going to use it to take the batter and pour the quantity I want. When it starts changing color like this and the bubbles begin to show on top, then it is time to turn it over. So let's turn it over. Yep. Nice. You can see the upside, the bubbles, and you see that it's cooked. It's time to turn. This one didn't come out well. We'll continue with this frying process until we fry the whole batter. It's okay, try it. This thing doing this. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. Maybe it's from the pan. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also give the video a thumbs up if you liked the video. Until we see again in our next video, remain blessed and also stay safe. Bye bye. Love you all.